Let's dig in, guys.
How are you feeling?
Amazing. Such a beautiful place you got me at. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
We live only once, and I believe in living my life to the fullest on my own terms. Welcome to my vlog. Namaste and hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the second morning in Seattle. So good morning everyone, I'm Prachi. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning all the way from Seattle, USA. And hubby just left for work. This is my second day here. So yesterday was fun, as you must have also seen in the episode before this. It was hubby's day off and it was really amazing time here in Seattle, downtown city. And अभी I'm having my coffee and cake जो हबी ने बनाया था मेरे लिए. और हबी already breakfast करके निकल चुके हैं. We just took breakfast on the go. We didn't wake up for breakfast. And उसके बाद we have called for housekeeping. देख लो, it's a mess right now. And yes, I do carry my pillow cover always, as you can see there, and all my layovers whenever I fly anywhere, vacation wise or my flight duty wise. For those of you who are first time viewers, I'm an international flight attendant with Qatar Airways. I'm a senior purser, so my designation is CSD, Cabin Services Director. So yes, I always carry my extra pillow and quilt. This time I didn't carry extra luggage, नहीं करना था मुझे. So अभी मैं हाउसकीपिंग आएंगी और स्टाफ आएंगे, क्लीनिंग होगी, देन आई विल टेक शावर, फ्रेशन अप एंड देन हेड टू हबीज रेस्टोरेंट. बट इवन आई हैव नेल्स टू डू. टूट चुका है काफी. आई नीड टू डू मैनिक्योर. विल कीप यू पोस्टेड व्हाटएवर आई डू टुडे. जस्ट स्टे अराउंड एंड जॉइन मी फॉर टुडेज डे एट Seattle, US. Finally, I did the manicure and my gel polish. So hey everyone, very good afternoon from Seattle. And as you saw, I've done my nails already. Feeling very happy. Finally, it looks so clean. And this salon is just below my husband's accommodation. I'll show you from outside. So guys, this is the accommodation of my husband. My husband called me. And he's like, he'll meet me in 10 minutes. His restaurant is nearby, so I'll be waiting for him at this H Mart. I'll just walk around, grab something, if I like anything to drink, or I don't know, not to eat because already we have a booking at this restaurant. I don't know, husband wants to take me there. By the way, this is my husband's accommodation, and so the point is, he is sharing with another flatmate. That's why the reason is I am not staying here with him, and he booked me the hotel, which is very close by, so it's more convenient. And he's staying up with me, so that's about it. And guys, today I didn't wear any makeup except for this nude lipstick. I let my skin breathe and just my earrings. गाइज मैं रिंग पहनना भूल गई. मैं कुछ ना कुछ भूल जाती हूँ. कल के एपिसोड में मैंने सिंदूर लगाना भूल गई थी. आज मैंने हल्का सा सिंदूर लगाया है, तो आज मैं रिंग भूल गई हूँ जल्दीबाजी में, निकलने के चक्कर में. बट व्हाट टू डू, एंड आई फील सो क्रैंकी अबाउट इट. यू नो, आपके संग भी ऐसा होता है कि आप जल्दी जल्दी रेडी हो रहे हो और आपकी कार आ गई या टैक्सी या सर्किट जो भी आ चुका है, एंड देन यू फील अ बिग थिंग कि कुछ मिसिंग हो गया, एंड देन यू फील एंग्री अबाउट इट. मेरे संग बहुत होता है ऐसा. And my husband always tells me it's okay not to worry, but I feel very upset अगर कुछ भी missing है ना when I get ready. Anyway, I'll stay here at H Mart and wait for hubby to come. It will be his break time, so that's about it. And I hope you're enjoying this US series with me. And if you do, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my vlog.
Hi.
Hi. Yes, I showed them.
But I wasn't there.
But your building is here. Guys, hubby is here. They're going for lunch.
Yeah, we're going to this place called Dozone.
Dozone?
So let's check out the menu.
It's nice.
It's my first time.
Okay. And guys, मैंने आपको बोला था ना, मैं अपनी रिंग भूल गई. अब ये देखो, ये इसका नीचे वाला टूट गया और ये ऐसा है. Supposed to be like this. Don't laugh. Today I don't understand why is this happening. You know what to do. क्लमजीपन तो छाया ही रहता है. ऐसे ही पहन के मैं घूमूंगी. Really? CBS में कोलाजन लेना है मुझे. कोलाजन. कोलाजन
किसके लिए?
स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छा
क्या है?
या क्या है डम्पलिंग्स खाऊंगा
We've got 2 noodles.
4-5 items Cheers with Sauvignon Blanc. Nice, baby. Nice, right? But I'm waiting for the food that we have all ordered. And maybe remember our Dubai Konjiki Hototo Jisu. Correct? Remember the ramen we had there? How many times?
Managed to price
Yeah. Sort
in a
of.
span of 1 week or 10 days.
Yeah. 1 week. Literally 1 week. So it was really delicious. So let's see how the food is here. This is minced chicken noodles for baby. Sweet and spice cucumber. This is my spicy mala noodles, chicken steamed dumplings, and that is it. This is our entire meal. Let's dig in, guys.
A few moments later.
This lane is entirely baby Thai, vegan Thai. Arayas.
This is the veg vegan place.
Yeah. So nice. वो नियाग्रा फॉल्स के पास स्मॉल टाउन्स ऐसी एलीज रहती थी, है ना?
This is one of 5 restaurants called
Loving the stretch. Oh my god, what a weather, man. So baby, I was telling them, loving it so much here, and obviously thanks to you for all that you have planned.
Yeah.
And today the weather is kind of gloomy. That's hubby's favorite weather, and it's quite pleasant. It's not cold actually. That's very. We should put 2 at least, no? This is the lake where we are going to now. Let's go. Janu. And we are here. Wow.
Eden Bear.
Maiden Bear. Look at, just listen to the birds.
This you'll get only on weekends, especially for crowd. Otherwise, it's completely empty. You don't get anything.
Renting all the yachts are here. This is the place, guys. Have a look. So lovely. And it's weekend here. So it's crowded, as hubby said, na hubby?
Yeah, otherwise it's empty.
Okay. This is your second time, right?
Second.
Lovely.
So remember that I sent you a video of my walk?
Yes.
Hi. How are you feeling?
Amazing. Such a beautiful place you brought me at. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इतनी सुंदर vibe है. So fresh. Amazing. Baby, how is my outfit today?
Amazing. Looks good.
Nice.
Yeah. Superb.
Show them around. Hi Janu. Hi my handsome. Happy?
This is my happy place.
Yeah, I can see that. We really spent a lovely time here, guys, and obviously we don't shoot everything, but बहुत सुंदर जगह है. अगर आप सियाटल में हो, no actually बेलव्यू में हो, तो ये place worth it है आना, and especially on weekends. लोग fishing कर रहे हैं, हाँ, and kayaking and lot of things to do, you know. So now,
Paddling experience is another level.
yeah, absolutely,
Both. You really enjoy this.
we love it.
So Kirkland is also very similar.
I got it.
Kirkland has more.
Guys, right now we are heading back to the main area, and probably we'll stop for some coffee. And
We'll be going to a park. I want to show her a nice park.
oh wow, okay, let's go. Then stay tuned, guys. There's more to come. So guys, here we are. That's the Bellevue City Center. That's my hubby. And this is the Bellevue Downtown Park. है ना baby?
Yeah.
It's like a joggers family park.
I have change, I think.
I have baby.
Change you have the
I have.
feeling.
I got my baby. What is this called baby?
Popsicle.
समझ है ना? हाँ तो मन तो कर रहा है. मैं आपसे शेयर कर लूँगी, ठीक है? I'm not so fond of ice creams now, guys.
Let's see how it looks.
Taste. Look दिखाओ.
Whoa.
American flag. खा के बताओ.
Nice.
Perfect for summers? Okay. You enjoy. So cool. मुझे ये व्यू चाहिए.
आएगा ना picture.
So you work, I'll dance. What is the problem?
Get someone else to do your video. I'm not standing.
Guys, ये भी है अगर आपको जाना है, बट मुझे नहीं जाना है.
Yes, coffee time and finally hubby is relieved कि मैंने डांस नहीं किया. So look at him. You know he doesn't like it at all when he eats and I shoot him. But आज मुझे इनको इतना छेड़ने का मन कर रहा है ना. So I'm just teasing him.
Hey guys, so we are done with our coffee and now we are headed to hubby's workplace. I'll be heading back to the hotel because I'm a bit tired. It's around 5:30 p.m. and hubby suggested that I rather stay at the hotel, get back, relax there. And hubby now has to go to work. His break time is over.
So yes guys, as I was saying, now I'll wait for my circuit to pick me up. I'll get back to the hotel and relax. Hubby will come back from his work around 10 p.m. So we'll decide if we need to step out for a night out or just night in, watch a movie, have a dinner at the room, inside the room and just sleep. So let's see. Anyway, we'll keep you updated.
And hubby has come back. Baby, so I'll get back to a hotel. आप आ जाना. चलो. This is my husband's restaurant, F for Farzi.
My husband is working as an executive chef with Farzi Cafe, Massive Restaurants. It is a chain of fine dining Indian restaurant. You must try it.
Hi baby, my circuit is here. See you in the evening. Yeah?
See you.
Bye.
Captain Mills in the hubby?
Yeah.
All right.
So hey everyone, I'm back to my hotel. It's a cute property. I didn't show you, but let me show you the pool area at least.
That's the pool area. This is the entire property. And my room is up there.
So I'll just go to my room. It's approximately 6 p.m. I know it's not the time to get inside the room, but I just want to relax and wait for husband to come in. And we have decided to just stay in, have our dinner, watch movie like Netflix and chill basically. So we'll do that, and I think this should be a good time to end this episode. I hope you enjoyed. I shall see you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye, take care, and keep living large. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.